Ito, may luto na tayo, guys. Ayan. Barbecue. At meron tayong Betamax. At chicken wings. Marinated yan, guys. Spicy at saka yung may soy sauce. At ito ang aming basnoku. Ayan, basnoku. May 4 kids si daddy sa'yo, oh. Ayan, thank you for watching. Hindi pa luto ang isda.